guys. Good morning. Happy Thursday. I have a very limited amount of time today. I've got about 30 minutes when the market opens before I'm on a call. And then I've got a bunch of appointments today out of the house. So I did get a new necklace. Let's see if y'all can see that. Right there. Positive mind, guys. Positive mind. That's what it's about. Being in this business, I have a lot of people who like to tell me how much better they are than me. And sometimes they are, and that's okay. I don't expect to be the best at this. All I'm doing is living my best life, making sure that the things that I need are taken care of, the people around me are taken care of. And I am a giver. I love to see people grow and manifest into things that they didn't even know were possible. Does that mean some of the people I work with end up trading much better than I do? Absolutely. I have a lot of personal struggles that I find hard to let go of at times. Even this morning, my daughter and I were in a bit of an argument that it turned out all right. But it's a tough way to start your day with teenagers being really grouchy to you in the morning whenever you are rearranging your entire life to make sure theirs is, fairly happy. But it is what it is. We have these things in life. They come about. We have to be aware of them. We've got to treat people with kindness no matter how much they want to suck you into their upset world. So all you can do is just be grateful that you can do the things that you do and move forward with your life. That's about it. You can keep a positive mind. You can keep reminders around you all the time. I don't know, you could read that, but do all things with kindness. If you do things truly from the heart, all that matters is that you're moving forward and that you're happy. So I'm going to step off that soapbox and let's take a little peeksy-poo at the markety-doo. Okay. Wow. So what happened yesterday is it did look like it was going to push down here for a moment and then just shot to the upside. Did a great pullback in here to tell you it was going to continue up. It's giving you plenty of opportunities along the way. Now we can see on the 1597 it pushed down, it came back down. MACDs were leading much higher. This happened overnight, but you can see the way it pulled right into those 10946 EMAs. Okay. Let's go ahead and pull up that daily chart. Oh, let me move all this out of the way. Guys, real easy if you want to delete things, remove drawing objects. Just find the one you want to remove, click it, click OK. All right, so let's take a really deep look at this daily chart. So we pulled down. Things were leading lower here, or they were leading about the same height. The MACDs started to lead lower as it pulled up. We can see the MACDs are starting to roll just ever so slightly to the upside. It takes a little while for the MACDs to kick in the bigger the chart. So we're right here at the zero line. Let's go ahead and get a couple of perspective lines kicking in here. All right. There we go. Now we're going to move to a break even. go ahead and take that one out. We have a little tiny potential reversal bar here. The place where it could pull back is really most definitely back into here. If it keeps going up, that's absolutely fine. I have a meeting in 20 minutes. All right, there she goes. Watch it go up to that spot that I had marked. I have an issue with holding on for those things, but that's all right. I need to go prepare. I don't know that I'll be back today. I have a lot of things going on today. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pause this. I'm actually gonna stop it. So I'm gonna do my end thing here. If there is, hold on, let's go ahead and turn these on. All right. So one trade, 2 points, 2.75. Definitely was an early exit. That's all right. I was anticipating it to come all the way up to here. So we'll see what happens as it pulls up towards that area, but I'll have to check it later. So if this does continue up, that'll be a beautiful thing. If it doesn't, hey, you know, it is what it is. I don't ever feel like I left money on the table when I exit early. I always have a reason for exiting. Sometimes that reason is I just can't hold on much longer. But I typically have a reason. Being human, you know, what? Sometimes I make those reasons up in my mind why to exit. But that is just part of the game, guys. Overcoming those things, growing, becoming better traders, all part of it. So hope everybody has a great day. If I don't catch y'all later, I will look forward to catching you on the profitable side. Wow. So I'm done with my call. I've come back, and Lord have mercy, did I exit early. Let's look at this. How you like that? Wow. What a beautiful entry. You know, I probably would have, if I had not exited there, I definitely would have been out by this point, even somewhere up in here. The 10946 did sing it the whole way up. I'm just kind of laughing looking at that, but hey, when you got limited time, you work with what you can. I'm actually going to be unavailable once again in the next 20 minutes, and I probably won't be back until almost 3 o'clock, so after the market's closed. So that's going to be it for today for me. 2 points and 2.75, 4.75 points. Hey, you know, each day is a victory when you walk away with a lesson, with something positive. What can I say? Positive mind, y'all. Positive mind. This is my new mantra right here. Positive mind. So that's going to wrap things up. Guys, if y'all have any questions, let me know. Everybody have a great day, and we'll catch you around.